Today, we're doing something a little different. Behind me is my Regal Shield Alocasia, and I've captured a 9-day time lapse of it reacting to its environment. But to make this interesting, there are 5 items that I moved or changed over the last 9 days. Can you spot them? Watch until the end to see. While you watch this plant dance toward the light, let's talk about what makes these stunning plants tick. Regal Shields are iconic for their deep, velvety foliage, but they can be finicky. They thrive in bright, indirect light. Too much direct sun can scorch those beautiful leaves, while too little will slow their growth significantly. Temperature-wise, they are tropical through and through. They love consistency, ideally staying between 65 and 85 degrees. If your room dips too low, they'll definitely let you know by drooping. Now, you might notice this one is thriving in a semi-hydroponic setup. Honestly, for an alocasia like this, semi-hydro is a game changer. It provides that perfect balance of constant moisture and oxygen to the roots without the risk of soil compaction and overwatering. It takes the guesswork out of the wind-to-water struggle that so many of us deal with. Look at that new leaf opening. It's the payoff for getting these conditions just right. How did you do on the challenge? Did you catch all 5 changes? Keep watching and they'll be revealed.